Wait. I feel like the one in the center and the one to the left caught my attention the most. I guess hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, hello, my name is Linda and I make reaction videos. For those of you that subscribe, welcome back. So you guys, I will be reacting to Bad Villain. This is their Hurricane performance. Honestly, I'm already impressed with this group. Like, I feel like, what else did they have to show me? I mean, aside from vocals, but like their dance performance. Oh my! I mean, they're dancing from film 1 and film 2. Wow. Anyways, shall we get started? Let's go. Wait, we're getting a face reveal? Oh my gosh, let's go.
Hey, yeah. 말보단 행동, 셰프가 맥도 I take off. 내편의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo.
Have goosebumps. Okay, sorry for pausing, but I guess I said we were gonna we had to hear their vocals, but I didn't really I should have known that they were singing to this track, or rapping and singing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they're basically, what can they not do at this point? Wow.
Yeah. 말보단 행동, 셰프가 맥도 I take off. 내편의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo.
Oh, go.
My flag wave like ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My backup쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different. An alien 무대는 나타나 우리 선상. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My backup쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different.
Oh my god. She's gotta be the main dancer.
Alien 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking all the BS who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기는 머리 dynamite. Up and I'm and down the drop. On the screen, on the scene, all the screaming. got a 느낌, that I'm not good, I got a feeling.
That's crazy. Okay. What the heck? Wait. I feel like the one in the center and the one to the left caught my attention the most so far. But I mean, regardless, like they're wait, hold on. You know what? We have to watch this back because
Hey, yeah. 말보단 행동, 셰프가 맥도 I take off. 내편의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo.
man, I gotta say this echo part is genius. Like it's so subtle, but it hits hard.
Take off. 내편의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo.
Woo! This member is really pretty. I don't know who that is. Wow.
My flag wave like ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My backup쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리
Their body control is crazy.
I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm deep.
Yeah, is she the main dancer? She's also in the center. I mean, they've given the members. I like how they've given each of the members a chance to be in the center, but this one, her and the other one, they seem like they're definitely like a main dancer. They give me main dancer vibes.
와 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기 내 머리 dynamite up and 하면 다르지는 drop on the screen on the scene all the screaming 다른 느낌 다른 느낌 I got a feeling
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, so I was reading a little bit of the comments and it seems like we have Street Women Fighter um members in this group because if that's true, like if it's confirmed, oh, that's because like ever since I started watching Street Women Fighter, like I have come to just have a new admiration for like choreographers, just dancers in general. Like just their body control and just how they can just come up with choreographies. It's so amazing. And yeah, so yeah, if there really are Street Women Fighter members in this girl group, that's it. Like done, done for. If um, this is gonna be one of my favorite girl groups. I can already tell. Like I love like how they have a hip hop theme. And like I said, I think this is something that's missing in the industry. Sorry if you guys hear dogs crying and barking. My brother and his girlfriend just got home and they always do that every time they hear the garage door open. Well, they're dogs. Um, but yeah, anyways, back on track. So, um, yeah, so it looks like um the some of the members we're not really sure. I think like it's like I said, it's kind of nice because it's like the art of like they're still keeping it mysterious. You don't know who the members are, but you know some of them, but the other ones you don't know. Um, and yeah, who knows? Like I am excited to see because this is their dance performance, but and like obviously they're rapping. I just know that their vocals are also just gonna be amazing as well. Um, but yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of this group because yeah, like I said, this group is literally you guys. They are going to be, well, dare I say, like probably one of the best groups to debut, right? But let me know down below, okay, what you guys think, and if you guys agree or disagree with me. Yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.